Yeah, you know what it is, eh? Yeah, me, Philly McHughes, surely I know this guy. Hudson Higgins, yeah, give it up, man, come on.
Yeah.
Give him something. Yeah, what do you want to rap about today, man?
Whatever you want to fucking rap about.
Well, listen, you know me, I got the right beats for you. Yeah, let's get it up.
He's a fucking killer. He does it all when he's not even in a miller. He puts it all, he's a drug smuggler guy. He gives me a cone every time I need you. Yeah, bitch, you know who you're talking to. You're talking to your pappy. I made you when the fuck your mom was skinny on ice. So I made her get up and make you be a better life. Fuck all you skinny rap boys, everybody know who you're talking to. Don't you ever do. Like I said, we're the best, but we recharge a line. But everybody know who we are, cause we're the guys. Yeah, now we coming back from the cousin verse. Yeah, I know where's the first verse. Everybody's saying third, second. I say first, cause I'm the one who made rap. Cause I was the there, I was the pain that I fucking said. Fuck you, motherfucker. I almost jumped the gun to see the bright sun, but fuck you, did try to steal too, and I proved to you, you bitch, you was wrong.